There are a couple reasons why you might want to consider getting gluten out of your diet when it comes to cancer. And the reason is there's the actual gluten protein that's in wheat and rye and barley and some other grains. And the gluten protein contains within it subproteins, and your body can make antibodies towards these proteins, which means your body is literally attacking these proteins. And those antibodies can cross-react with different parts of the body. We now know that a lot of those antibodies can react against different organs as well. And this is very well and heavily published. And so in anybody with cancer, we want our immune system to be as clean and as efficient as possible. And so getting gluten out of the diet may be a really good idea. Another reason is that, especially if you're in the United States, the gluten protein contained within it several different components. And these components usually carry with it pesticides such as organophosphates. And these have a huge hormone disruption pattern in the body, and they're carcinogenic, which means that can promote cancer growth as well. Another reason to get rid of gluten in the diet is that the concept behind going gluten-free has really been a fad, I think, but there's a lot of science to it, like I explained just now. But the third component is that we now know that people can develop antibodies towards gluten that decrease the overall body's production of something called IgA, immunoglobulin A. And immunoglobulin A is something that our body excretes into our salivas, our gut, our mouth, to defend against other toxicities that come in. And so we have decreased the IgA overall. It means that we have less of a defense mechanism to battle off other toxins that may come into the body. So it's really about keeping our entire ecosystem in our gut very friendly as well. And so those are just some of the things to consider when it comes to gluten in your diet and cancer.